Hi, I'm John from Owl Labs. I'm here today to show you one of our newest products. One of the hardest things about being remote is being able to see the text on the whiteboard. It makes it hard for remote participants to participate and also take part in the classroom discussion. That's why we created the Whiteboard Owl. The Whiteboard Owl is our dedicated whiteboard camera that pairs with the Meeting Owl Pro. This will enhance collaboration within your class or your meeting. The Whiteboard Owl will come with adhesive strips so you can mount it to the wall. The Whiteboard Owl will come with 2 magnetic tags. This will help crop the whiteboard as well as switch the camera view between the Meeting Owl Pro and the Whiteboard Owl. One thing that I like about the Whiteboard Owl is you have the ability to stream live content from the whiteboard, so remote participants have a better engagement in the meeting or classroom discussion. Let's see it in action. Today I'm having a meeting with my coworker Elena, who's working from home. We decided to have a brainstorming session using the whiteboard. To switch Elena's view from the Meeting Owl to the Whiteboard Owl, I simply flip over one of the tags. This will allow the Meeting Owl to zoom in and crop the whiteboard image. Flipping the tag over will also engage our proprietary Whiteboard Enhance software. As you can see, Whiteboard Enhance improves content visibility by removing background shadows and improving color saturation, so writing on the whiteboard is even easier for Elena to see. Whiteboard Enhance also makes the presenter appear transparent, so the board is always visible to the remote participant. The Whiteboard Owl helps you lead more productive hybrid brainstorms and lectures, so anyone can follow and participate in the discussion, no matter where they're located. To learn more about the Whiteboard Owl, you can go to our website or contact us at sales@owllabs.com. Thank you for watching.